Welcome to Creative Web Logic's YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss about the integration of MailChimp on your WordPress website to run newsletter subscription service. Let us start from the first step, to register your website with MailChimp. Open www.mailchimp.com in your browser. Click on the large red button labeled Sign Up Free. This will redirect you to the Create Your MailChimp account page. Fill in the details here. Make sure to provide a genuine email address, as MailChimp will send a verification email to it. In addition, this sign-up form does not give you the option to retype the password, but shows the characters one by one while entering any password. So, please carefully type a password and note it down at a safe place. As you see, it allows you sending 12,000 emails per month, and does not ask for any contracts or credit card. Click on the Create My Account button. MailChimp will send an email to your inbox to activate the account and redirects you the account activation page. Launch your email client to visit the inbox. You may have to refresh or click Send Receive button. It may take a while to receive the email, please wait. After receiving, please open the email of MailChimp Client Services. Click on the large red button saying Activate Your Account. This opens a new tab of MailChimp sign-up form, and asks to enter the CAPTCHA for security. Carefully enter the CAPTCHA, read it once and then click Confirm Sign-up button. It will take some time to redirect to another page, please wait. At the next page, you have to enter the username and password provided at the time of creating account. If you want to check the typed password, then you can click Show Password to display it. Check Remember Password box to remember your credentials on this browser at this computer. Click on Login button. You can click on Remember Password button for the browser. It takes you to the Let's Get Started page of MailChimp. You just have to fill up the form and you're done to use MailChimp. Enter your details such as first name, last name, physical address, city, zip code, company, website URL, and your industry. Do you know why it is asking for your address and company name? Because it has been mandatory to provide the physical address to use newsletter service, as per rules and regulations of CAN-SPAM Act and international law. So, provide the accurate and legal details carefully. Take your time to enter the information. Now, you have to create a security question to protect your account. Type a question in the Create a Security Question box, and enter its answer in your answer box. When you are done, click on Next button. It takes you the next level. You can connect Twitter and Facebook accounts with MailChimp. We are skipping this option in this video. Click on its Email Time button. Now, we arrived at step 2 to create a mailing list. So, click on the Lists button in the top right row containing buttons. This will redirect you to the Lists section and you will notice that MailChimp has already created a list for you. Here you can create the mailing lists and forms, sort the lists, and add and remove peoples in the mailing lists. You can also import the contacts in a list. MailChimp allows you creating multiple lists at a time, arranging them in any order, and rating them. Click on View List button and this will redirect you to the Lists dashboard. Click on Import button to import an already created mailing list saved in your account or CSV file. You can import CSV file from computer, copy and paste contacts from Excel, or upload your contacts from Constant Contact, Salesforce, HiRise, Google Docs, Google Contacts, FreshBooks, Survey Gizmo, Eventbrite, Zendesk, Zoho, Capsule, and Batchbook. After you're done in Import section, come back to Subscribes tab to view the imported subscribers. It shows only the provided email address to create account, as we have not imported any contacts. Here, you can click on Add People button to add the subscribers in your list. You have to provide email address, first name and last name of the subscribers. In addition, you should tell MailChimp that this recipient has given me permission to add him or her in my MailChimp managed list. Click on Subscribe button to list the subscriber in your lists. You can select any subscriber and click on Remove People button to remove them from the mailing list. Let us come to the third step to customize sign-up and other forms. Click on Create Forms tab to create the sign-up, subscribers and other forms for your website. You can click on the Forms and Response Emails drop-down box to select any form, and then customize it as per requirement. Here, we are editing only sign-up form. Select Sign-up Form and move the cursor downwards to Form. It highlights the header option. Click it and this opens a pop-up asking to add an image to your website. You can either upload it from computer or submit its link, if already published on web. Here, we are uploading an image from the computer. After uploading the image, it will display the image in the right-sided picnic editor. Enter the URL to link to the image in link URL box. Type the alternate text in the next box, to display if image is not visible. Click on Save button. Click the area saying click to add a message and this will open an editor. Type a good message here appealing the users to sign up with your service. After you're done, click the Save Now button. This will save the message and display it on the top of sign-up form. You can customize different types of forms here. Click on Save and Exit button. Here is the fourth step to create a campaign, to create and send newsletters. Click on the Campaigns button in the top right corner and this will redirect you to Campaign section. Take the mouse to large red button Create Campaign and select Regular Old Campaign. It redirects you to the Campaign Builder wizard and the first stage is to select the list. You can either select the entire list or its segment. We are clicking on Send to Entire List button here. It takes you the second level, where you have to enter the information of your campaign like campaign name, message subject, from name, and reply to email. Enter the information carefully, as this will be sent to your subscribed recipients. MailChimp provides the option Research Subject Lines, to know which subject keywords are gaining high preference from the readers. You can click this option and check the words. Enter any word and press Enter. This will display its ranking on stars. More stars means more preference by visitors. Close the window when you are done. You can also add the Google Analytics with your newsletters. Click on Next button to come at fifth step. In this fifth step, we will select the newsletter template. It takes you to the Templates page. MailChimp allows you selecting any one from its free pre-designed 142 exciting templates. Have a look here. It also allows creating a new template from scratch, purchasing a premium one, and selecting an Auto-Connect template from different providers. The Auto-Connect section allows you integrating your Amazon Books, eBay, Eventbrite, Facebook, GoToMeeting, iTunes, Survey Gizmo, Twitter, and Yelp accounts. The newsletters will have your message, and allows users to connect with you on selected services. In Start from Scratch section, you can design newsletter template in single, 2-column, 3-column, fancy, mobile, and RSS formats. You can also import the pre-designed templates from URL, file and paste in code options. Here, we are selecting newsletter in the pre-designed category, and selecting Modern Green by Smith Harmon. This will redirect you to the template editing page. You can edit the template, as per requirement and paste your complete article here, or paste the links of newly created blog posts. Click on Show Style Editor link to edit the newsletters in a better way. You can change categories and color themes of this basic newsletter template. Click on Next button when you are done. The next stage shows the text format of your newsletter, which will be displayed if a recipient cannot view the stylish HTML format. View it and click on Next button if you are satisfied. At the next stage, MailChimp views all the details provided in the list and campaign and throws error if any. In our case, it shows error on permission reminder. Click on Resolve button for it. In this box, MailChimp asks to provide a reminder from where you've got the recipient's email's address. You can type any reason, or go for default template like you are receiving this email, because you opted in at our website. Click on Save button and you are done creating your newsletter. Click on Save and Exit button. Now, it is the time to add MailChimp to your website in the sixth step. Visit the WordPress dashboard of your website. Scroll down and click Add New option in Plugin section. Type the name MailChimp in search box and click Search Plugins button. It searches the WordPress plugin directory and shows off the different plugins having MailChimp in their keywords list. The first one is MailChimp List Subscribe Form, which we need. Click Install Now link underneath it, and then click OK button to install it. It may take a while or few seconds to install this plugin. After installation, this will ask to activate the MailChimp plugin. Click on Activate Plugin link. This may take few seconds, and after that, it redirects you to Plugins page. Now, you have to set up the MailChimp for your website. Scroll down and go to MailChimp in Settings panel. Click it and this will open MailChimp List Setup. It will ask for an API key to work. Click on Get Your API here link. It opens MailChimp website in a new tab with your logged in account. If you are not logged in, then it asks to log in at MailChimp, so log in with your credentials. In our case, it has opened the MailChimp page directly as we are already logged in. Point to Account tab and then click API Keys and Info to open its panel. Here, you can create and manage your API keys. Click on Add a Key button and this will create the API key. Copy the API key. Come back to the WordPress dashboard's MailChimp List Setup page. Paste the API key. Click on Save and Check button. It logs you in MailChimp and asks to select the list. Select your list and click Update List button. It will open the complete settings on the page. You can customize the settings as per your requirement. We suggest you checking the option Include Unsubscribe link in the newsletter, giving options to subscribers to revoke subscription to your service. Click on Update Subscribe Form Settings button after you're done with your work. Now, click on the Widgets option in Appearance panel to add MailChimp widget to the sidebar. Drag the MailChimp widget from the available widgets to the sidebar. Visit your website in a new tab. This will show the MailChimp widget at the selected location. If you do not like its format, then you can customize it by editing CSS from the MailChimp setup in the WordPress dashboard. Let us move to the 7th step to test the working of MailChimp widget. You have to enter the test username and email address to test the working of MailChimp. Enter the first name, second name, and email's address in the widget. Click on Subscribe button. It shows the message that you have been successfully subscribed with newsletter service. Open the emailing box of the provided email's address for testing. It will show an email from your website asking to confirm the subscription. Click on the link and it opens a new tab to open the page for confirming the subscription. It may take few seconds. On confirmation, you'll receive a subscription confirmed email in inbox after a few seconds. You can also refresh the inbox to receive it. Now, come back to the MailChimp tab. Click the Lists tab and then click on View List button. Your website list shows 2 subscribers, one the provided email address to create MailChimp account, another one, which we've added while testing MailChimp widget. Finally, we will guide you how to send newsletters through MailChimp. Click on Campaigns tab to open Campaigns panel. Select your newsletter service to open it. You can click on the pop-up preview button to preview the newsletter in a new pop-up window. Check Show Header Stuff option to view the header of newsletter email. Wait for a while till the newsletter loads up. Scroll down and click View Live Merge Info button to view the live newsletters preview for each subscriber. Close the pop-up window. At the bottom section there are 2 large buttons. You can click on Schedule Delivery button to schedule the delivery of newsletter later on. Click on Send Now button. MailChimp will ask for a confirmation to send the newsletters in a pop-up. Click on Send Campaign button. MailChimp will redirect you to the Campaign Builder page and says your campaign is in the send queue. Your subscribers will soon receive newsletters in their email inboxes. You can check both emails listed in the selected campaign and wait for a few seconds until the newsletter arrives. It is the one received at the test account of Gmail. Here is another in Windows Live Mail. You can click on Add to Safe Sender List. Goodbye.